I'm excited today to share some news. USA Today decided to publish an article about my 35-year struggle to create better floor slip resistance test standards in the United States. We've been using really bad test methods created by the flooring industry and created by expert witnesses that only work primarily for insurance companies, but every once in a while they'll work for a plaintiff attorney, and they just create these bad test methods that nobody else in the world is interested in, and they quickly get withdrawn from organizations like the ASTM. So we formed the American Floor Safety Alliance to create good pendulum slip test standards that will help stop slip and fall injuries. Literally tens of thousands of people in America are sent to the emergency room with injuries from slip and falls that were avoidable using good science. The USA Today brought light to this epidemic. As Americans get older, these slip and fall injuries turn into deaths. And that's not funny. And shame on the people that are writing these bad test methods. But thank goodness for the American Floor Safety Alliance that is helping to bring 50 years of international science from 5 continents to America so that we can help stop slip and fall injuries with good science. I hope you'll take some time to read the article written in the USA Today. Thanks so much.